Let's begin with some calm. The world has been going herbal, and so am I. So here is some hibiscus tea, some clove tea, some coffee with lemon, because I want to lose the weight around my belly and eliminate hip dips. So I start my workout with a banana for energy, just a glimpse of some of the exercises I do and the breakfast I curate. On day one, I just made coffee with some lemon in it, and it was so easy. As you can see, you just need some coffee, some sugar, and lemon. Yeah, I just went for 1 spoon of coffee because some coffee for the strong part, and also some sugar, just 1 teaspoonful, and some lemon. And as you can see, it was really enjoyable with the tart taste of lemon in there. So here is some story time. These are some of the exercises I do in the house. I've been following tutorial. I'll share the link in the description. It's just like around 10 minutes workout, because personally I do not like gym, and I think when I go there it will just be like suffering. So I don't like going to the gym. So I choose to do just short workouts, which I know I will sustain. So I'm just taking a 14-day challenge of doing this workout and see what happens to my belly fats and also the hip dips. Yeah, and also working on the behind, So that's it. That's what I'm doing. As you can see, I was really just struggling and carrying through. It wasn't that fast, of course. Yeah, but that's what I am doing. So here I finished and I was clapping for myself for doing that. The second type of herbal tea that I take is rose, not really rose, but hibiscus tea. So some water, I measured a cup there, and a few particles of the hibiscus. Now here you're supposed to do some sorting to remove the foreigners, so that you don't put them in your tea, because we just buy them in the open market and you never know what could be there. So you do that. You're supposed to, even some people clean, but you see, when you clean, you remove some of the pigment. So I choose to do that, and because we are boiling, it is okay. So there it is, a very deep color of the mint tea, and then I took it with a toast, egg, some grapes, and the tea. Secondly, I made clove ginger tea. So there I am just getting the ginger ready, a few cloves. Now next time I'll just grind the cloves, because I used too many to get the brown color, but if I had just ground some of them, I would have gotten the color with a few, and the smell was so good. So I boiled for some 5 to 10 minutes, and I was able to get the desired color. So that's clove tea for you. See how it's boiling. Usually the smell is so refreshing. It gets into your system, and it's so healing. And the ginger, very good. So I wanted to put some honey, but I said, let me just not do that. Yeah, let me not just do that. I just decided to take it like that. And then every morning as I start my workout, I get energy from bananas, which I get from my farm. Yeah, that's me there showing you some of the video that I use, which I said I will share the link in the description. The other part of the video is all about me just doing the exercises. You could enjoy, or even you could click on the link and go ahead and do the exercise. It's only 10 minutes. I want to see what it will do. So as I was saying, I realized that I was losing my energy, and I've not been able to, I've just lost my energy. So sometimes I wake up and I'm very disoriented. I'm a bit discouraged, especially when I don't have gigs or some work to do, and I get stressed. You see how you get stressed because things are falling apart. All of a sudden the needs hit you and all that, and of course you just have issues just going around that, and so is life, So I realized the moment I just work out. You guys did not tell me this thing. The moment I work out, I get so much energy to face the day. I have a lot of clarity, My mind is clear, it's not foggy. Yeah, and also another thing, have avoided eating, apart from this day I ate bread in the morning, I really avoid carbohydrates. And if I have to eat, I just take a banana and then the tea of the day. I'm also avoiding dairy by all means. So I take the tea of the day, and then with the energy of the bananas, I sit down to work. That one will take me through some part of the day. So I could feel hungry at around 12 or 1. So that's when I will eat food. And most of the time when I eat like that, I am full. And even in the evening, I may or may not eat. So can we call that intermittent fasting? Yeah, you see, when you put it in your mind, you're doing intermittent fasting. That's where the problem is. But when you just arrange yourself to have one meal a day, then that is it. So that's me there. I usually finish the workout with star jumps. They are not in the link. So I finish with 20 of them and later do sit-ups, 20 of them. So that's it. Can you join me in the challenge? I'll be glad. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.